Welcome. If Hm is to Gm is equal to 4 is to 5 or two positive numbers, then find the ratio of two numbers. Here two positive numbers are not given. So first let two positive numbers. So let numbers be A and B. HM means harmonic means of two numbers A and B. GM means geometric mean of two numbers A and B. Here two number means two positive numbers. So to find harmonic mean of A and B, we have to assume that let A, X, B are in HP. HP means harmonic progression. As per definition of harmonic progression, so writing here as per 1 by A, 1 by X, 1 by B are in AP. Here one question may arise, why we are writing 1 by A, 1 by X, 1 by B are in AP? We are writing this because of we know the property of AB such that we can find X. According to property of AP, according to of an AP, what we see, term minus preceding term always equal. So 1 by X term minus preceding term 1 by A is equal to term 1 by B minus preceding term 1 by X. Using this property, we can easily find the value of X, that is here X is harmonic mean. In this case 1 by X arithmetic mean. So our aim is to find X, that means HM. Solve this 1 by X and transposing this minus 1 by X to the left, 1 by X plus 1 by X, transpose this 1 by A minus 1 by A, here will be coming plus 1 by A. Now simplify this 1 by X plus 1 by X, 2 by X, whenever this will be simplified, AB, A plus B. Now 2AB, that is equal to A plus B 2x using cross multiplication, or find X, writing here A plus B AB, or X is equal to, solve for X, AB by A plus B. So as per definition, what is X? X means AX, B are in HP, so X is HM. Therefore HM of two positive numbers A and B, that is equal to AB by a plus b. Similarly, we will find gm. So again, now let a comma y comma b are in gp. gp means geometric progression. Using the property of geometric progression, we will find the value of y. So according to the property of a gp, of gp means geometric progression, what we can write? Term by preceding term, y by a, b by y. Why we are writing this? Our aim is to find y. So next it will be reduced, y square is equal to ab. Our aim is to find y is equal to plus minus root ab. So here we may write taking positive sign, positive sign. So gm means geometric mean, that is equal to root ab. Now as per question, what is given? That hm is to gm is equal to 4 is to 5 for two positive numbers. Then we have to find out the ratio of two positive numbers. So from given condition, what is given? hm to gm, that is equal to 4 is 5. Let me see again. hm is to gm, that is equal to 4 is to 5. Now using the values of hm and gm, now using the values of hm and gm, what we may write? hm is equal to, what we have got, 2ab by a plus b, 2ab by a plus b. What is gm? Root ab, that is equal to 4 is 5. This last equation may be reduced by 2ab by a plus b. Now writing by root over ab, that means 1 by root ab. We are writing this 4 by 5. Now we make calculation root ab and ab, that means after cancelling ab, what will be remaining? 2 root ab by a plus b, that is equal to 4 by 5. Now denominator two terms, numerator single term, and if we add numerator and denominator, we will have a plus b plus 2 root ab. That is easily we can formulate a plus b whole square, that means root a plus root b whole square, because of c here showing root a plus root b whole square, that is equal to a square means a plus b plus ab. So first taking reciprocal of both sides, a plus b by root ab, that is equal to 5 by 4. We are writing taking reciprocal of both sides. Now see, using componendo and dividendo right here, using or operating componendo and dividendo. What will be a plus b numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator, that is equal to 5 plus 4 by 5 minus 4. Now obviously numerator can be written as root a plus root b, that of square, by root a minus root b, that of square, 5 plus 4 9 by 1. Now if we take square roots of both sides, what will be, this square root square 2 will be removed. So what will be root a plus root b by root a minus root b, that is equal to 3 by 1. Here we should write taking square root of both sides. Again, if we use componendo dividendo, numerator plus denominator b will be cancelled out, numerator minus denominator root a will be cancelled out. So again, root a plus root b plus a minus root b by root a plus root b minus root a plus root b, that is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. What is operating componendo and dividendo? So what will be next step? Here root b we cancelled out, root a cancelled out, 2 root a plus root a, similarly 2 root b, 4 2, or 2 2 cancelled out, 2 on the 2 2. So root a would be by 1. But what we need? We need ratio of two positive numbers. As per question, ratio of two numbers. So what we have got in the last step, if we square both sides, we will have a and b. So a by b, 4 by 1, squaring both sides, squaring both sides, therefore A is to B, that is equal to 4 is 1. So the required answer is A is to B, 4 is 1.